team, pitch. Number 2, men's group D, Makoto Team B versus San Roque. Makoto Team B versus San Roque. Central School Ateneo Municipal Team A versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Central School Ateneo Municipal Team A versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Next game, pitch number 3, U13 Group C. Kalawisan versus Parrot Springdale. Kalawisan FC versus Parrot Springdale. Next game, pitch number 4, U13 Group C. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes versus Tabor Hill College Football. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes versus Tabor Hill College.